Comme nous t'avons annoncé, là, nous t'avons rencontré avec un talentueux auteur qui est Underscore, qui écrit une pièce théâtre qui est Hispaniolove. Hispaniolove inspiré de réalité et information, actualité, hein, qui c'est division, conflit, problème, immigration qui gagne entre Haïti avec la République dominicaine. Nous avons rencontré avec Underscore et puis directeur et pièce théâtre qui est titré Hispaniolove et 2-3 acteurs. On nous suit comment il a parlé de projet ça et objectif pour projet ça.
Haïti chérie, 1er janvier 1804, en 2004, 200 ans.
This project is amazing. It talks about love, and like you mentioned, yes, 20 years. But every project that I take on, I try to find the advantage or what will make this project better than the next. And being that it's close to my heart, being that it's about Haiti and it's about Dominican Republic, and also too, love. I believe in love, you know, and this story tells about love with two different families, love and hate, and also what's also still happening in our country, you know, today. So taking it on was a challenge in that, and wanted to make sure that the people see that, you know, in every aspect of the way. And that's one of the reasons why I took on this project and love also being on this project.
Michael, you are Dominican, Puerto Rican, and you work on a play talking about issue between Haiti and Dominican Republic. And you play the role of the Dominican father. How it is experience working together, different culture? How it is for you?
For me, first of all, this is my first play, my first stage play. So it's a blessing to be a part of this project. It's actually my second project that has to involve with Dominican Haitians. And I feel like it's a good message to put across. You know, love has no limitations. I honestly never had a bad experience, man. I love Haitians, and I know Haitians love me. You know what I'm saying? You know, but like I know in our country, there's a lot of things going on. You know, when Haitians getting deported from Dominican Republic, you know, it kind of hurts my heart because. You know, I have a lot of friends that are Haitian, but they were Dominican born. They got deported out of there. But, you know, I think it's cool to do projects like this because, the message, that comes across from it. Because it's like people still go through prejudice and all that. And, I feel like we need to come as one because at the same time we do share the same island and, and I feel like, hey, my family, you know what I mean? Like, my family's dark skinned and we're mixed with a bunch of different things. So that's really why I love being a part of something like this. And being Tequila, playing a dad, it's my first time playing a dad. And let alone it's on a stage play. It's a challenge and I'm looking forward to the day where, I perform in front of many faces, you know what I mean?
We have another Michael. Michael Ducio, you are Haitian, and you play the role of Pouchon, the gentleman who loves a Dominican girl. So do you feel that you guys are working together? You are like ambassadors to bring the message to the world?
Absolutely. I think you kind of mentioned it before. This is not just a stage play just for the sake of. There's a lot of depth behind it. There's a lot of different meanings behind it, and I'm honored to be able to play the role of Pouchon because I think that he kind of carries the load of the overall message in his position as a Haitian, especially being a young Haitian American in today's society. Not only because of the knowledgeable aspect, but the fact that he falls in love with Nayeli, who is his Dominican counterpart. But I think on a very real level, a young adult level, I think it brings history. I think it brings culture. I think it brings a better understanding as to things that were going on in the past and that are still affecting us today. So in my role as Pouchon, I have the opportunity to kind of help share the burden and tell that story and watch that story unfold. And at the end, watch love just kind of manifest through the whole thing and see how love conquers all. So I take great honor in carrying this position. And I'm just having fun with it.
Love is supposed to be kind and gentle, not rough and brutal.
Rough love is the best love.
Andrea, and about you, as a woman, you work with different people, different backgrounds, different nationalities. How it is in experience? Do you fight sometimes? How do you manage to put this show together?
The experience, well, I really like, working in a project that has different cultures united as one, I feel like that you learn a lot about each other, working with different people. And I think this play is very important. I think this play is very important because it shows the altercations that are going on between the Dominican and Haitian cultures, and how in this play, love is able to mend those problems, between the two cultures. And, at the end of the day, you see that everyone has like a common, core, like love. Everyone can feel love, and through it, love, people were two different, houses, the Tikiyus and Liberties. They were able to, get along at the end of the day.
You are partially looking at life with those eyes. Realize that perfect love can only be seen through Christ, where love bears all things, hopes all things, and understands all things.
The overall message, I think, is in the name of the title, Hispaniolove, which is love conquers all. And, it really opened our eyes. Sometimes we can be blinded by so many other aspects that, covers true love. And in the play, the character that I play specifically, Azibe, I feel like he plays a position where he gets to, take away some of these covers that covers up love and really see that, we are all people. People are people. The color of our skin really doesn't matter at the end of the day if love is being shown, whether you have a lighter skin or a darker skin, love is colorblind, and it's very important and dear to my heart, that story, because, I'm from Haiti. I was born and raised there, and you get to listen to the news and you get to watch all these different things that are being said or being done. And through this one play, we can really shift the heart of people, of humanity, to really, not just in Haiti, but other places where, Iran, Iraq, it's the same land, but the people are fighting.
Lowlifes. It's always pain and strife between your bloodlines. Why must hate continue to flow from your brains? You parents are to blame. You should be ashamed to lead by such bad examples to Hispaniolove and your children. We are here to beautify this community, uplift the people of Haiti and the Dominican Republic, so that we can live together peacefully.
I think people are going to get to see that at the end of the day, you really need to do some history. You really need to not follow the crowd, and you really need to build your own convictions about things. And that's what Hispaniolove does. Story is well written from beginning to end, well directed. I do want to give a big shout out to the director, Jean-Louis. He's doing a tremendous job with me personally. I'm learning as an actor, making the transition from film to stage. I think the stage really give us the opportunity to, open the eyes, not just you see a story, but you really understand why this was said and why this person is feeling that way. And it would be what by tête ou maladie sou pas ta vin wè play ça, so definitivement n'attend tout le monde come check out Hispaniolove. We got some great actors, everybody that spoke here, and some more. Everyone that you see is highly dedicated, We cry when we miss a rehearsal because, you know, of everything that we are missing out on. So it's fun, it's awesome, and nous pas attendre tout le monde 16 avec 17 avril dans le Haiti complexe.